Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can autoplay videos on Pinterest while you are on Wi-Fi. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Tap on your profile icon, then select three dots icon. Next, tap on settings and then open social permissions and activity. Here, scroll until you can find the autoplay videos on Wi-Fi option. Toggle on the button beside it. And that's it. Now, all of the videos on Pinterest will be autoplayed while you are on Wi-Fi.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.